Welcome back, everyone, to Stonehouse Acres. Follow along as I replace and change the chain on my STIHL MS210 chainsaw. First step is remove the sprocket cover. There's 2 bolts. Take those off using your combi spanner. Once you remove your sprocket cover, obviously mine is extremely dirty. We'll get that cleaned up. You can now focus on removing the guide bar and chain. All right, give everything a nice cleaning. Wipe everything down, get all the gunk and grime off, and you should be all set. Now that everything's clean, let's put the chain back on the guide bar. Make sure the arrows that are on the chain are going clockwise. And start at the nose of the guide bar and then put it all back in place during this process. Once the chain is back on, replace the sprocket bracket with the 2 bolts. Once you get everything tightened down, you should be all set. I'd run it for a minute or 2 and make sure you have chain oil and lubricant in there as well. Thanks for following along. Please remember to click, like, and subscribe. See you on the next one.